So Kunal will be.
यहाँ पर बैटिंग पे है आशीष सिंह और बॉलिंग पे है राजू। यहाँ पर नो का कॉल है अंपायर के साइड से, तो 0 बॉल 1 रन। तो यहाँ पर 0 बॉल पे 2 रन हो चुके हैं बॉयज ऑन फायर के। बॉल मत काट देना, वो उसको बोल रहा हूँ। 1 बॉल 2 रन बॉयज ऑन फायर के। दो बॉल 2 रन। राजू भाई बहुत ही फास्ट बॉल डालते हैं, मोहन के सबसे पेस बॉलर हैं और सबसे बेस्ट बॉलर में भी इनका काउंट है। ओ, यहाँ पर राजू भाई वाइड डालते हुए और 2 बॉल पे 3 रन आते हुए। तीन बॉल 4 रन।
नेक्स्ट बॉल राजू, रावलपिंडी एक्सप्रेस है ये, एंड ब्यूटीफुल शॉट। इस 4 के साथ मुझे लगता है ये रावलपिंडी एक्सप्रेस ने थोड़ा वेरिएशन लाना चाहिए इनके गेंदबाजी में। राजू की अगली गेंद फेस करेंगे आशीष सिंह जी, जो कि अच्छे खेलते हैं, दिखते भी अच्छे हैं वैसे, और ये इन्होंने काफी अच्छी तरह से खेला है, फील्डिंग की है। 1 रन के साथ ही स्कोर हुआ है 9 रन। कितना ओवर? पहली ओवर में 9 रन, ब्यूटिफुली फ्लिक द बॉल। विशाल, ये मूर्ति लहान कीर्ति महान ऐसे प्लेयर है ये विशाल जी, काफी अच्छा खेलते हैं ये। इन्होंने अब ये पावर प्ले है। एज पर द रेगुलेशन ऑफ पावर प्ले, 2 fielders will be out of the ground. There will be only 1 fielder facing front and 2 fielders on the boundary. The batting side has to make the best benefit of power play. पूरा मौका है इनको। This is a 4 overs game and this power play is very essential. Gripson is going to bowl now. The first ball coming from Gripson, और विशाल ने खेलने की कोशिश की, चूक गए, बोल्ड हो गए। इनकी, मुझे याद है मैंने इनके बॉल फेस किए हैं ग्रिप्सन के, ये बहुत चेंज ऑफ पेस करते हैं, फास्ट एक्शन एंड स्लो बॉल, ये इनकी खूबी है। अब प्रिंस उतरे हैं खेलने. So boys on fire, 1 over they have played with 10 runs at the loss of 1 wicket. Some dialogue going on between Tushar and Yogesh. So next ball, the second ball of the second over by Gripson. This is a power play. Let us see what these boys are going to do. Okay, 1 run. He has to remain satisfied with 1 run. आशीष सिंह एंड प्रिंस, इन्होंने बॉयज ऑन फायर की दाल मदाल संभाली हुई है. ग्रिप्सन टॉसिंग द बॉल, चेकिंग वेदर देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम इन द बॉल और द बॉल इज गुड. He should be happy he took 1 wicket now. So this is the third ball of second over. Ashish will face the ball and beautifully he played, but then I think he has to remain satisfied with 1 run. Next ball by Gripson. Prince will be facing the ball. अच्छी तरह से खेला है इन्होंने, पर 1 रन से ज्यादा पावर प्ले का कोई खास उपयोग इनको हुआ नहीं है. ऐसा लगता है जैसे पावर प्ले का इस्तेमाल करना ही नहीं है इन्होंने सोचा है. आशीष सिंह विल बी फेसिंग द नेक्स्ट बॉल बाय ग्रिप्सन. ही इज अ लेग स्पिनर and he is out. As per the box cricket regulation, Ashish Singh has overplayed. He has lost the track, and with the loss of 2 wickets, the total score is 14. 14 run इन्होंने किए हैं with the loss of 2 wickets. Yogesh has taken the crease now. So Prince and Yogesh are going to face the second over. So this is the last ball of the second over. The score is 14. They are maintaining a good run rate. 7 runs per over is a good run rate to defend. It's a good defending total. So far things are looking fine with this team. The match between Gladiators and Boys on Fire looks quite balanced. From the club end, Gripson will be (13 runs) and last ball of the second over. 13 रन हुए हैं अभी. दूसरे ओवर की आखिरी गेंद क्लब एंड की तरफ से रन अप लेते हुए ग्रिप्सन, और फेस करेंगे योगेश. योगेश ये अपनी पहली बॉल फेस कर रहे हैं. काफी अच्छी तरह से टैप किया इन्होंने, पर मुझे लगता है 1 रन की संतुष्टि. he has to remain satisfied with 1 run and 14 runs in 2 overs with a run rate of 7 runs per over. It is a good defending total. Looks like the game is very much balanced so far. Gladiators and Boys on Fire. 2 overs gone, 14 runs with the loss of 2 wickets. Let us see what the remaining 2 overs. And who is the bowler? Awais is the new bowler coming in. Awais from the club end, and the first ball faced by Yogesh. Good fielding by Tushar. 1 ball, 1 भी run नहीं. Second ball he is bowling now, and beautifully he tried to time, but then no, it was not quite good. I think there is a discussion going on whether the batsman made his ground. Yes, he made his ground. Prince is running quite fast. Some chit chat going on between the 2 batsmen in the ground. So third ball of the third over. And this is a wide ball. The rules of the box cricket are very stringent. थोड़ा भी अगर गेंद बाहर जाता है तो वो वाइड दिया जाता है. नेक्स्ट बॉल एंड ही हैज प्लेड नाइसली. 1 run. 4th ball. And this is the 4th ball of the 3rd over. And this is no again. 2 runs are adding up effortlessly. 2 runs have been added up in this over, and beautifully timed and very nicely fielded. He could get hardly 1 run, पर बहुत अच्छी तरह से खेला था इस गेंद को योगेश ने. अच्छे अनुभवशाली बैट्समैन बल्लेबाज है ये. Two balls to go in the 3rd over, and it looks like the decision is very close, and he is out. Yogesh is run out. Very beautiful fielding. 1 ball to go in the 3rd over, and the score is 19. तीसरे ओवर की आखिरी गेंद. स्कोर 19. स्कोर हुआ है 19. आवेश की आखिरी गेंद. कविन सिंह आए हैं. ये बहुत अनुभव रखते हैं. 4 सीजन खेले हुए हैं ये. नॉन स्ट्राइकिंग एंड पर आए हैं मिस्टर कविन सिंह. प्रिंस फेस करेंगे तीसरे ओवर की आखिरी गेंद. स्कोर है 19 और इन्होंने 1 रन ले लिया है. 3 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद स्कोर हुआ है 20 रन. 3 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 20 रन हुए हैं. The scoreboard has ticked to 20 in 3 overs, and now Tushar is going to bowl the last over from the club end. And beautifully played. It's a nice fielding by Raju, and he got 1 run. 1 ball, and the score is 21. 5 balls to go of this first session. 5 balls to go. The score is 21. And next ball, he has just timed it, taking 1 run. Score is 22. 4 balls to go. मुझे लगता है थोड़ी मेहनत बॉयज ऑन फायर को करनी पड़ेगी. ये 4 गेंदों में इनको अच्छे रन बनाने हैं. 22 is a chaseable total. And he has tried, but he is out. And Prince is out. So the score is 22. अब 3 गेंदें शेष है इस पहले सेशन के. They have played a nice game. Gladiators looks like showing a good performance on the fielding side today. Zibion is an experienced batsman. He has got the capability to hit 4s. Let us see what he does in these 3 balls. So the 4th ball, and he has hit the ball, but then I think he has to remain satisfied only with 1 run. So the score is 23. 2 balls to go. The score is 23. Kavin Singh facing the ball. Tushar is an experienced bowler. Kavin Singh is an experienced batsman. They all are playing all the 4 seasons. And this next ball, and he has tapped it to take 1 run. Score is 24. And last ball of the first session. Last ball, ZB is going to face. Tushar is going to bowl. And beautiful shot, but a very good fielding by Raju. And the first session is over with 25. 25 ke 26. The total score, I'm sorry, the total score is 26, 27 to win. Gladiators has to chase a total of 27. And the fielding of Raju was excellent. Else he could have, he 8 to 10 runs he has saved at least, I must say. So need to see now how Gladiators chase the total. The total of 27. Sometimes it's not a very easy total. 27 to win. 27 runs to win. They have few very good bowlers. So let us see how these boys chase the total of 27. Yogesh Mali and Tushar, they have a very good experience. योगेश एक बहुत ही अनुभवशाली बल्लेबाज है जो स्ट्राइक लेंगे और पहली ओवर आशीष सिंह. The first over will be bowled by Ashish Singh and Yogesh Mari is going to face. Yogesh is a very experienced batsman. Let us see how they go. And he's beaten up in the first ball. And he's been given out. Excellent piece of fielding shown by the boys on fire. It really looks like the boys are on fire today. And it's a very tough luck. Yogesh Mari, he is a very experienced batsman, but unfortunately, it's a disaster for the Gladiators today. He tried to play the ball, he was beaten up and he was timely stumped. A beautiful piece of stumping by Kavin Singh. Kavin Singh is a very good player, you know, he's a squash player, so he knows how to, his reflexes are very good. And he has shown the reflexes today. Gripson, and Gripson is going to face Ashish Singh is the bowler and he has delicately flicked the ball with 1 run. और मैच के पहले ओवर के दूसरे गेंद में ग्लेडिएटर्स ने खाता खोला है. 1 run goes to Gripson, 1 run goes to Gladiators. तुषार फेस करेंगे तीसरी गेंद and he has just reverse sweep it is. माझा उपास आहे, मला येता राहणार, मी येऊन जाईन. The commentary will remain stopped for some prayers going on for 10 minutes. So we are holding the commentary now. Thank you.